Welcome in my channel Baba HOWLAA once again. If you not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for never miss our video. Now I am talking about Vega off-road helmet and durability. Should it buy or not buy? Don't skip and watch this video till end because I described in details about this helmet. Helmet is going wrong. Yeah, I think long use of this helmet is not in my destiny. This helmet condition is very bad now. A little accident happened with my friends and then I should not talk long. Let's start to point. Now see the look of this helmet. What the hell? I am feeling very bad, but what I can do that? Luck is important. Now I talk to you what is actually happened. One of my friends take my helmet for ride. He ride around 50 km/h speed in road construction area. When work was running, some pitch was separated from road. When he engaged rear brake for suddenly cross a dog. Unfortunately, rear wheel was to be slip for pitch and he going down as very bad condition on hot pitch. Fortunately, he got new life, only some injuries, but when he crashed, had many possible to death. He fall on hot pitch and this helmet save his life. For this reason, helmet condition look like that. Now talk about durability. Durability is good almost, style good, also lightweight, feature dual visor is very good. For dirt bike helmet have some aerodynamic problem in high speed. In other cases helmet is very good. You can buy without any tension. And now talk about why don't buy. Why don't buy this helmet? Padding inner part of helmet is good, but not had airflow system like Steelbird helmet. So if you ride long in summer, your head become very sweaty. I personally experienced it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel because your share have power and your like increase my motivation for see our video. Search in YouTube Baba HOWLAA. Thank you by heart for your support and watch our video many times. And at last wear helmet and drive safe. And Baba HOWLAA always for you. You get my other video link in description or I button. I requested to you please subscribe my channel because I need your subscription. After subscription, if you don't hit the bell button, you miss our latest video update.